Hi, John Cooksley here from JC Motorcycles Ltd in Plymouth. So today we're going to show you our new business venture, which is Aquablasting. So we are enthusiasts with classic motorcycle restorations, classic cars and marine. So we're going to give you a demonstration on what the machine can do and its capabilities, which we'll all be able to go to see. And I'll take you through to the workshop now where we'll see the machine in action. Right, let's have a look at this then. So we've got an old classic two-stroke engine. As you can see, heavily weathered, looking a bit sorry for itself. Owner wants to restore the bike completely. His first step is with the engine. Have a good look inside and have a look at all these nooks and crannies. We're going to do you a video of it now being vapour blasted. Right guys, so as you can see, this engine has been totally blanked off now, so no water, no media can get into that engine and do any damage whatsoever. This is totally environmentally friendly and we're using pure water with glass beads. All bunged, all the exhaust port, all the inlets are all bunged, spark plugs bunged, every coolant hose is bunged. So we take our utmost precautions before we do it. Right guys, really quick one this one. We've only spent 15 minutes on it and it's just purely for demonstration purposes. But this was a really bad example of a corroded engine. And as you can see now, the castings are all like brand new again. Totally and utterly back to standard.